Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Well, at least here we're in the office where we know we got things going good. Hey, looks like a red Omni for tomorrow. I'll do a brief illustration at the end of this video just to show you, briefly, almost in a novice point of view, very simple way why we should probably drop. I think you'll agree with it. But for now, let's take a look at what we did for Monday, and then we'll take a look at the Omni for tomorrow, Tuesday. On Monday, we got lucky in the gold. We bought gold at 674.30 versus August. The low happened to be 674.20. Go Omni, nice trade. We sold them out at 678.60. High today was 679.5, so we caught just about the entire range. Nice trade. We sold the June Emini S&P at 1537.75. Originally, we wanted to sell at 1541.75. The market never really gave that opportunity till towards the end of the day, so we sold 1537.75. So we pulled our stops down at the end of the day to 1541.25. Stop got hit, couple of ticks, $3, 150 in the mini. Not a big deal. We're still up if you took the gold trade. Same thing in the NASDAQ. We shorted at 1934.50. We moved our stops down to 1937.25. The stop was hit. If you took all three trades, you still made about 175 on the day before commission. So you did all right. No matter who you're trading with, you still had some money in the bank for the day. The name of our game is preserving capital. We preserve capital. That's what we do here. You pull stops in. You always use stops. You preserve your capital so that when we catch the good ones, we have some money in the bank to do that with. So that's what we're doing. That's what I display to you guys every day. Risk management and discipline and preserving capital will keep you in the game for a long time. All right, let's take a look at the S&P for tomorrow. June S&P, the ESM 7 in the mini and the SPM 7 for the large. Omni resistance 1540.5 to 1541.5. For those guys who follow me, who received my flash updates and my Omni trades this evening, you're already short at 1540.50 or 1540.75 if your orders were in. So we should already be short the Omni trade at 1540.5 or higher if you're paying attention to what we do here. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1547.25. Above 1547.25. Omni's profit objective for the next 2 days, meaning Tuesday, Wednesday, is 1521 to 1520. There is a likelihood that we may hold this trade over the evening. You know, I only do that on special occasions. I will certainly keep you informed if we're going to sit tight. When the markets are open at night and we can have stops in, sometimes I'll trade the night market and keep you guys in overnight. Never for over the weekends. I just don't like being in a market that you cannot do anything to get out if something goes wrong geopolitically. So you know me, I try to never be in something when there's more than one day where you cannot do something about your trading. If the world does something crazy, throws us a loop, every now and then the world can certainly throw a sandwich at you, and you know what kind of sandwich I'm talking about, and we don't want to be part of one of those sandwiches, so stick with me on that. All right, so I'll certainly keep you informed about that. Let me show you a brief illustration now, and it's a simple form of analysis, but I've showed this to you guys in my videos a few times, and this is one of the simplest reasons why we should likely head down in the S&P. Now, granted, we're trading at new highs right now, so we got to be very nimble with our short trading, of course, because I'm a very bullish-minded person to begin with, and I think we'll trade 1577 at some point this year. But for now, we are short-term traders. We go with the short-term signals. What we have at this point, last couple of days, we have the market that looks pretty much like this. We were rallying up. We made a new high. Then we tried to take that high out today. We didn't really do much about making a new high. I like to see follow-through after making a new high in the S&P. Without follow-through, and I've shown this to you, go back and look at some of my videos, you'll see without follow-through, generally after you put a new high in the S&P and you don't get a follow-through day, what you end up with are a couple of days down before it turns around and heads right back up again. Again, take a look at my videos. You'll see this is not the first time I'll be pointing something like this out to you guys. It's not going to be the last time. And so go do your homework on the videos. You'll see there's got to be at least 5 to 8 times throughout our Omni throughout our omnis that we've shown you this. Now, there's something else that's very interesting. Some traders out there might think that this is a mirror image because the market sort of looks like this right now. Right? We have two bars that look about the same size. Go look at the daily S&P bar chart. However, opens and closes are slightly different. You have it look more like the same day. That doesn't help us. A mirror image, guys, has to be a mirror image. And what that would be is, let's say market opened, dropped down, and closed. Okay, the opening, the close. If on the next day it opens, rallies, and closes, you have the same size, high and low, but you have opposite opens and closes. Then we have a mirror image. Opposite opens and closes, the same size, highs and lows. So again, don't confuse what we have right now in the S&P with a mirror image. I will not qualify that as a mirror image because the opens and closes are almost the same, not opposite. This would be a mirror image. This, what we have in the S&P right now, is not a mirror image formation. So, to answer the questions that I'm sure will be coming into the forum about the mirror image tomorrow, we don't have one. Okay? Now, a couple of things. Hey, I didn't shave. We had a losing trade today. I bothered not to shave. If we have a losing trade tomorrow, I'll grow the beard even longer. Let's hope I don't have a long goatee by the end of this week, but we'll see what happens. All right. So if you guys would like to take a look at my YouTube videos, we have 130. How many videos now, Mike? 131? 132 of them?
131.
131 videos. You can get them at www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts. Right there, if you go to the site, you can click on the subscribe button. You can get our videos sent to you right out in an email just like that the moment we put them out. Of course, they're always at our website. We put them on the website before YouTube even has an opportunity to get them out to you guys. And that website is www.livewithoscar.com. At that website, you can also get enrolled in our Flash Updates database, and you can fill out a free registration form so that you're part of the entire site. Again, it's www.livewithoscar.com. Flash updates are extremely important if you're going to trade along with me. If I get you into this trade recommendation tomorrow to sell S&P at 1540.75 and you get short, I may move my stops higher or lower. I may jump out at the market. You need to know if I'm going to do that. The only way to do that is to get on the Flash Updates database. I blast out emails and update my Omni site with the Flash Updates throughout the day. So do yourselves a favor, go there and jump on the Flash Updates database because it's free, so why not take advantage of it, right? Yeah. You can always send me an email at oscar@futuresanalysts.com. And as everyone knows, I am manning these phones 24/7. I am always here. If those markets are ticking, my eyes are wide open. So give me a call at 718-351-2266. Now check this out, guys. We hit over 1 million hits on our website today. Yeah, baby. 1 million plus hits at the Omni website. You gotta love it. Guys, keep on coming. I'll keep teaching. I'll keep helping you. I'll stay at the forums. I'll keep the charts up. I'll keep the Omnis up. You guys keep your interest up, and hopefully we'll keep our accounts up, right? It's all going up, except for this guy tomorrow anyway. So, we also have something else fantastic. I know I promised it to you guys forever. I wanted to hang myself for 12 weeks while I was waiting for licensing agreements to come in. But they finally did come in, and we are here ready to rock and roll with our OMNI trading platform. Our trading software is now available to you. You get a 2-week free trial with live quotes in all electronic markets. It has charts, it has news, it has point-and-click trading, it has price ladders. It has everything that I can think of that a professional trader needs to get his orders in and out of these electronic markets. And hey, you guys know I'm a professional trader myself, so I know it works. I've been using the software myself for a good 3 years, maybe 4 years now. I would like for you guys to try out that free trial. Nobody's going to contact you. No one's going to break your chops. This is not about seeing if we can somehow hook you in. It's a free trial to help you guys get a little better with the markets, get a little closer to me, and trade the way I trade. So go take advantage of that free trial at my site. Right at the home page, again, livewithoscar.com. At the bottom right, you will see an icon. If you click that icon for my OMNI trading software, it will take you through the sign-up procedures. So guys, jump in there. Try out my software and then shoot me out some emails and let me know how things are going. Of course, you can always call if you need me. Now, something I said it's extremely important. You know, I just did this illustration here. Do your own homework. Make sure that what I'm showing you makes sense with what your own homework shows you. You must have your own sort of studies. You might have your own indicators. You certainly have your own view of the markets. I want you to take your view and meld it with mine. And if my view is bearish like it is for tomorrow and your view is bearish, then maybe you take the trade. If my view is bearish and your view is bullish, maybe you want to sit on the sidelines that day. This way you can figure out if your work is working well, or if my work is better or your work is better. None of that really matters to me. What matters to me is that you're learning how to do this for yourself and you're trading along with me, and that you don't just take my trades because Oscar says to do so. Take my trades because they jive with your own homework. So again, do your homework. Don't forget, if you're going to place orders, place your stops first. Always place your stops first. Go back and look at some videos. You know I've done whole videos on why you should place your stops first. So make sure you do it. Will save you during a disaster. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, you know to say this every morning. Make it your mantra. Say it every morning. Say it every day. Say it like a prayer before you're going to eat breakfast in the morning if you have to. But say it every single day. Say it at night before you go to bed. And always say it before you're going to place your trades. And you guys know what that is, right? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.